Okay, so before actually doing the right hand side of the tractor, I'm gonna start it up. So there should be a little bit of fuel in there. I'm gonna add some later. Gonna do my fluid checks. So engine oil is good. I already checked the front diff earlier, not that that matters. Coolant, very good. Don't need to open that. Gonna look at the tranny. This isn't back here. Very good. Plug the battery. This is always exciting. I don't know why. I don't know how many times I've actually started an engine for the first time, either brand new or after an overhaul. It's always an exciting time for me. I don't know. It's interesting. So this step is optional, I suppose, for a brand new machine, but creature of habit. Clean your terminals up and you won't have any problems later on. Alright, so yeah, don't like the angle of that guy, but it'll work. Maybe the other way around. No, I don't like that even better, so it's going to be like so. And should be, what's that? 8 mil, 9 mil? I was going to mention earlier, Kubota is an interesting creature because most of their stuff is metric, but a lot of the stuff comes from the States, which makes it standard or imperial. So the seat, I guess, can come from the States because all the bolts on there were imperial, but everything else is metric. Now the loader, if it hasn't changed with the years, is going to be all imperial. So you got to be dancing around and to make sure you got the right tools when you're doing this. Okay, so now in my operator's manual, most important part, the keys. I swear they love their staples. Must be a guy at the factory somewhere in Japan just stapling every damn thing. Oh! These got to be the little protectors for the holes in the back for the ROPS. Aha! I knew there was something to that. Okay, so I'm just going to grab one. Wow, now that is a cheap key. No security, boys. And the keys on these tractors are all the same. I mean, it doesn't matter if you take your tractor or Freddie's tractor or Bobby's machine or whatnot. It'll all work. So we get to hear the clanking of the fuel solenoid. Love it. Put this guy down. And this is going to be her first start. So, I don't really need to worry about you. I'm just going to move it that way, so that'll be fun. I didn't put any fuel. Should have enough to move it. If not, well, like I was explaining yesterday, these are pretty much self-priming. Okay. Always exciting to start these. Turn her on. A little bit of glow plug. I don't know if these are on a timer. Gonna find out soon enough. Always want to press on the clutch, but there's no clutch. There's just the neutral. So. was that was a lot of fun. I always love starting a tractor for the first time. That was great. That was a lot of fun. I did notice stepping on this, since there's no fender, that the floorboard isn't very solid. My 230-pound carcass kind of alerted me to that fact. And actually, I think I'm going to maybe move it over a little bit more, get that chair out of the way, so I have lots of room and lots of light to do the hydraulic valve install. So I'm going to do that. Isn't it amazing though? I mean, like, brand new out of the box, and it started up. I don't even know if the engine went over one turn. Like, it just, boom, started up. Not a problem. Freaking amazing.